All right, welcome back, traders. John Caruso here. It is Tuesday, April 18th, approximately 7:25 a.m. We are taking a look at crude oil. Crude oil up here on the charts. What I want to highlight here, obviously, we had this massive consolidation period that we went through, saw the breakdown, and now we've seen the price recapture that $80 level, of course, on the OPEC news approximately 2 weeks ago. So what this is looking like to me is the developing inverted head and shoulders here on the chart. We did see that push into the 200-day moving average. It tested my bull bear line of approximately 83.14, which coincidentally comes in at the same level as the 200-day moving average here today. I do have positive momentum on this chart right now, and I do have an immediate term oversold signal down here. I'm getting that reading of about 6 on the projection oscillator. So the question is here, do we see this market start to reject lower prices from here and start to re-attack that 200-day moving average and, of course, that bull bear line on our charts? That's the question. If that happens over the immediate term, perhaps by the end of this week, or if we see further downside, we close in that gap, and then we start experiencing a push higher in crude oil prices that would happen likely in May, June, setting the table for higher energy prices, we think, in the back half of this year. So a much better look on crude oil here this morning. The question is really, do we get that rejection here? We start reattacking the 83 level. I do think another retest of that 200-day moving average, we will puncture that and push through and perhaps get as high as up here around 86.69, which is close to the top end of our range here today. So that's the question. Where does the reject happen in crude? Does it happen between now and the end of the week, or do we see further downside into 77, where that's a more ideal buying opportunity for crude oil? So those are some of the questions that are going to be revealed, we think, over the next coming weeks. That's a quick look at crude oil. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks again. I'm John Caruso.